Welcome to the fascinating world of systems biology. At its core, systems biology is an interdisciplinary field that seeks to understand biological systems as a whole, rather than focusing on individual parts in isolation. By integrating data from genomics, proteomics, and other omics sciences, researchers can build comprehensive models that reveal how different components interact within living organisms. This approach helps us see the bigger picture, uncovering patterns and relationships that traditional biology might miss. In this video, we'll explore the foundations, methods, and real-world applications of systems biology, guiding you through the complex networks that make life possible. Traditional biology often examines one gene, protein, or pathway at a time. Systems biology, however, shifts this perspective by considering the entire network of interactions within a cell or organism. This holistic view allows scientists to understand how changes in one part can ripple through the system, affecting overall function. By embracing complexity, systems biology provides insights into emergent properties, those characteristics that arise from the interplay of many components, not just the sum of their parts. This shift has revolutionized how we study life, making it possible to tackle questions that were once out of reach. At the heart of systems biology lies the concept of networks. Biological networks can represent anything from gene regulation to protein-protein interactions or metabolic pathways. These networks are made up of nodes, such as genes or proteins, and edges, which represent the relationships or interactions between them. By mapping these connections, scientists can visualize and analyze the complex web of life. This network-based approach helps identify key players, potential vulnerabilities, and unexpected relationships that drive biological processes. Systems biology relies heavily on large-scale data collection. Technologies like high-throughput sequencing, mass spectrometry, and advanced imaging generate vast amounts of information about genes, proteins, and metabolites. The challenge is to integrate and interpret this data to uncover meaningful patterns. Computational tools and mathematical models play a crucial role here, helping scientists make sense of the complexity and turn raw data into actionable insight. This data-driven approach accelerates discovery and opens new avenues for research. Key feature of systems biology is the use of mathematical models to simulate biological systems. These models can range from simple equations to complex computer simulations that mimic the behavior of entire cells or organisms. By adjusting parameters and testing different scenarios, researchers can predict how a system will respond to changes, such as genetic mutations or drug treatment. Modeling helps bridge the gap between theory and experiment, guiding future research and enabling more precise interventions. Genomics, the study of an organism's entire genetic material, forms a foundation for systems biology. By sequencing and analyzing genomes, scientists can identify all the genes present and begin to map their functions and interactions. This information feeds into larger network models, helping researchers understand how genetic variation influences health, development, and disease. Genomics data is often combined with other omics data to provide a more complete picture of biological systems. While genomics tells us what could happen, proteomics reveals what is actually happening inside cells. Proteomics is the large-scale study of proteins, including their structures, functions, and interactions. Since proteins carry out most cellular activities, understanding their dynamics is crucial for systems biology. Other omics fields, such as metabolomics and transcriptomics, add further layers of information, allowing scientists to build more detailed and accurate models of living systems. One of the strengths of systems biology is its ability to integrate data from multiple sources. By combining genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, and other datasets, researchers can gain a more holistic understanding of biological systems. This integration uncovers relationships that might be missed when looking at each dataset in isolation. Advanced computational methods are essential for managing and analyzing this complex, multi-layered information, ensuring that the models reflect the true complexity of life. Biological systems are full of feedback loops, mechanisms that help maintain balance and stability. In systems biology, understanding these regulatory circuits is key to predicting how a system will behave under different conditions. Positive feedback can amplify signals, while negative feedback can dampen them, ensuring that processes like metabolism and cell division stay under control. Modeling these loops helps scientists anticipate how systems respond to internal and external changes. One of the most intriguing aspects of systems biology is the concept of emergent properties. These are characteristics that arise from the interactions of many components, rather than from any single part alone. For example, consciousness emerges from the network of neurons in the brain, and metabolic homeostasis results from the interplay of countless enzymes and pathways. Systems biology seeks to uncover and explain these emergent phenomena, providing deeper insights into the nature of life. Let's take a closer look at the human cell as a system. Each cell contains thousands of genes, proteins, and metabolites, all interacting in intricate networks. Systems biology allows researchers to map these interactions, revealing how signals are transmitted, how energy is produced, and how the cell responds to stress. By modeling the cell as a system, scientists can predict how it will behave in health and disease, paving the way for new treatments and therapy. Many diseases can be understood as disruptions to biological networks. For example, cancer often involves mutations that alter key regulatory pathways, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. Systems biology helps identify which parts of the network are affected, revealing potential targets for intervention. By viewing disease through the lens of systems, researchers can develop more effective strategies for diagnosis, treatment, and prevention. An exciting application of systems biology is personalized medicine. By analyzing an individual's genetic, proteomic, and metabolic data, doctors can tailor treatments to the unique characteristics of each patient. This approach moves beyond one-size-fits-all therapies, offering more precise and effective interventions. Systems biology provides the tools to integrate and interpret complex data, making personalized medicine a reality for more people. Systems biology is transforming drug discovery by providing a deeper understanding of disease mechanisms. By modeling how drugs interact with biological networks, researchers can predict potential side effects and identify the most promising targets. This systems-based approach speeds up the development process and increases the likelihood of finding effective therapies. It also helps reduce costly failures in clinical trials, making drug development more efficient. Synthetic biology is a field closely related to systems biology. It involves designing and constructing new biological parts, devices, and systems, often by reprogramming existing organisms. Systems biology provides the foundational knowledge needed to engineer these systems safely and effectively. By understanding how natural networks function, scientists can create synthetic networks with desired properties, opening up new possibilities in medicine, agriculture, and industry. Systems biology isn't limited to human health. It also plays a crucial role in understanding ecosystems and environmental processes. By modeling how different organisms interact within an ecosystem, scientists can predict the effects of pollution, climate change, and other environmental stressors. This knowledge helps guide conservation efforts and informs policies aimed at protecting biodiversity and ecosystem health. Agriculture, systems biology is used to improve crop yields, enhance resistance to pests and diseases, and optimize resource use. By analyzing the networks that control plant growth and development, researchers can identify genes and pathways that influence important traits. This systems-level understanding enables the development of more resilient and productive crops, supporting food security in a changing world. Human microbiome, the collection of microbes living in and on our bodies, is a complex ecosystem in its own right. Systems biology helps unravel the interactions between these microbes and their human host, revealing how they influence health and disease. By modeling the microbiome as a system, scientists can identify beneficial and harmful interactions, paving the way for new therapies and probiotics. Systems biology also sheds light on evolution. By comparing networks across different species, researchers can trace how systems have evolved over time. This approach reveals conserved pathways, unique adaptations, and the underlying principles that govern biological complexity. Evolutionary systems biology helps us understand the origins of life's diversity and the mechanisms that drive change. Despite its promise, systems biology faces significant challenges. Integrating diverse datasets, dealing with incomplete or noisy data, and building accurate models are all complex tasks. Collaboration between biologists, computer scientists, mathematicians, and engineers is essential to overcome these hurdles. As technology advances, new tools and methods are making it easier to tackle these challenges and unlock the full potential of systems biology. Big data is at the heart of systems biology. The sheer volume and complexity of biological data require advanced computational approaches for storage, analysis, and interpretation. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are increasingly used to uncover patterns and make predictions from massive datasets. These technologies are accelerating discoveries and helping scientists make sense of the complexity inherent in living systems. Visualizing complex networks is a crucial part of systems biology. Specialized software tools allow researchers to create interactive maps of genes, proteins, and pathways, making it easier to spot patterns and relationships. Effective visualization helps communicate findings to both scientists and the public, bridging the gap between raw data and meaningful insights. As visualization technology improves, it's becoming an indispensable part of the systems biology toolkit. Systems biology thrives on collaboration. Biologists, computer scientists, mathematicians, engineers, and clinicians all bring unique perspectives and skills to the table. Working together, these experts can tackle complex problems that no single discipline could solve alone. This collaborative spirit is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in biological research. As systems biology grows, so does the need for education and training. New programs are emerging to teach students the skills they need to succeed in this interdisciplinary field. Courses often cover biology, mathematics, computer science, and engineering, preparing the next generation of scientists to tackle complex biological questions. Lifelong learning is essential as the field continues to evolve rapidly. With great power comes great responsibility. Systems biology raises important ethical questions, especially when it comes to genetic data, personalized medicine, and synthetic biology. Protecting privacy, ensuring informed consent, and considering the societal impacts of new technologies are all critical issues. Ongoing dialogue between scientists, ethicists, and the public is essential to navigate these challenges responsibly. Future of systems biology is bright. Advances in technology, data analysis, and modeling are opening up new possibilities for research and application. From understanding the brain to engineering new organisms, the potential is vast. As we continue to unravel the complexity of life, systems biology will remain at the forefront, driving innovation and discovery. Medicine, systems biology is helping to unravel the complexity of diseases like cancer, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. By modeling the interactions between genes, proteins, and environmental factors, researchers can identify new biomarkers and therapeutic targets. This systems-level understanding is leading to earlier diagnoses, better treatments, and improved patient outcomes. Industries are also benefiting from systems biology. In biotechnology, systems-level models help optimize the production of biofuels, pharmaceuticals, and other valuable products. By understanding and engineering microbial networks, companies can increase yields, reduce costs, and minimize environmental impact. This approach is making industrial processes more sustainable and efficient. Systems biology is playing a growing role in public health. By modeling the spread of infectious diseases, scientists can predict outbreaks and evaluate the effectiveness of interventions. Systems approaches also help identify risk factors and inform public health policies, contributing to better prevention and control of diseases at the population level. Open science and data sharing are essential for progress in systems biology. By making datasets and models publicly available, researchers can build on each other's work, accelerating discovery and innovation. Collaborative platforms and open access journals are making it easier to share knowledge and resources, fostering a spirit of cooperation in the scientific community. Citizen science projects are involving the public in systems biology research. From collecting environmental samples to analyzing data online, these initiatives harness the power of crowdsourcing to advance scientific understanding. Engaging non-experts not only accelerates research but also increases public awareness and appreciation of science. Model organisms like yeast, fruit flies, and mice are essential tools in systems biology. Their relatively simple systems make them ideal for studying fundamental biological processes. Insights gained from model organisms often translate to a better understanding of human biology, highlighting the value of comparative systems approaches. Recent advances in single-cell analysis are revolutionizing systems biology. By examining the molecular makeup of individual cells, researchers can uncover previously hidden diversity and complexity. Single-cell data is helping to refine models and reveal new insights into development, disease, and cellular function. Biological systems are dynamic, constantly changing over time. Systems biology incorporates time series data to study how networks evolve and respond to stimuli. Understanding these temporal dynamics is crucial for predicting system behavior and designing effective interventions. Spatial arrangement of molecules and cells is another important aspect of systems biology. Advanced imaging techniques allow researchers to map where components are located within tissues and organs. This spatial information adds another layer of complexity to models, helping to explain how structure influences function. Biological systems are both robust and fragile. They can withstand certain disturbances but may collapse under others. Systems biology seeks to understand what makes systems resilient and what makes them vulnerable. This knowledge is vital for designing therapies, engineering organisms, and managing ecosystems. No two cells are exactly alike, even within the same organism. Systems biology studies the sources and consequences of biological noise and variability. Understanding how systems cope with randomness helps explain phenomena like cell differentiation and disease susceptibility. One of the ultimate goals of systems biology is to make accurate predictions about biological behavior. By building and refining models, scientists can forecast how systems will respond to changes, such as drug treatments or environmental shifts. This predictive power is transforming research, medicine, and biotechnology. Ensuring that data and models are standardized and reproducible is essential for progress in systems biology. Common formats and protocols make it easier to share and compare results across studies. Reproducibility builds trust and accelerates scientific discovery, benefiting the entire research community. Systems biology is a global endeavor. International collaborations bring together diverse expertise and resources, enabling large-scale projects that no single country could undertake alone. These partnerships are advancing our understanding of life and addressing global challenges in health, agriculture, and the environment. Funding agencies and institutions are recognizing the importance of systems biology. Grants and support programs are helping to drive research, train scientists, and develop new technologies. Sustained investment is essential for maintaining progress and realizing the full potential of systems biology. Engaging the public is vital for the success of systems biology. Outreach programs, science communication, and educational resources help demystify complex concepts and foster support for research. An informed public is more likely to appreciate the value of science and participate in important discussions about its future. Next generation of scientists will shape the future of systems biology. By fostering curiosity, creativity, and collaboration, we can inspire young people to pursue careers in this exciting field. Mentorship, hands-on experience, and access to cutting-edge tools are key to nurturing tomorrow's leaders in systems biology. Systems biology represents a holistic vision for understanding life. By integrating knowledge across scales and disciplines, it reveals the beauty and complexity of living systems. This approach is not just about solving problems, it's about appreciating the interconnectedness of all life and our place within it. As we reach the end of our journey, it's clear that systems biology is transforming our understanding of life. By embracing complexity, integrating data, and fostering collaboration, this field is unlocking new possibilities in science, medicine, and beyond. The promise of systems biology lies in its ability to reveal the hidden patterns that govern living systems, offering hope for a healthier, more sustainable future for all.